Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. Let's do another original knot. This is the Maroon Supreme. Let's go and get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. Come over and put in your dimple. And we're just going to do the rest as follows like this. Come across. Leave it folded in half. Fold this in half here. Angle this part here and then angle this part back up and then come down. Bring this across. Then bring this up and over. Still fold it in half. Come around like this. Around like this. Open this up. Bring it back through. Pull it in half and bring it through this one. Put your collar down, and there you have it. Peace and God bless.